The iconic stainless steel Smart Air Fryer makes elevated cooking easier than ever. Let's set up your air fryer. First, remove all packaging material, including any inside the air fryer. Before using, wash the basket and crisper plate by hand with a mild detergent and a non-abrasive sponge, or in the top rack of a dishwasher. When both are fully dry, tilt the crisper plate to one side first, then press down on the other side to secure it inside the basket. Place the basket into the air fryer. Then, place the air fryer on a flat, stable, heat-resistant surface. Make sure to keep the air fryer away from areas that can be damaged by steam, like walls and cupboards. Before cooking in your air fryer, perform a test run. Make sure your basket is empty and turn on your air fryer. Select Air Fry. Adjust the time to 5 minutes, then tap Start. When complete, carefully remove the basket and allow to cool completely for 10 to 30 minutes. Keeping your air fryer's stainless steel housing pristine is simple. First, make sure your air fryer is unplugged and completely cool. Then use a microfiber cloth or stainless steel polishing cloth to remove any fingerprints or marks. If you spot any blemishes or tarnishing, use a stainless steel cleaner and gently rub with the metal grain for best results. Remember, a little regular maintenance goes a long way. Now you're ready to make every meal a masterpiece.